Good morning, LST students, and welcome to this final video that reinforces the argumentative essay. Please ensure that your topic has an argument. If your essay is submitted without counter-arguments, it is not an argumentative essay, and we, your lecturers, will not be able to pass it. Minimally, your introduction must mention the argument, clearly state your stance, and provide an outline or hook or background of what is to follow in your analysis. What you see is a complete introduction with those three elements. I won't read those now, but note that the third sentence, the context or outline sentence, tells the reader exactly what is to follow in the author's essay. So let's link that introduction with topic sentences, and if you can focus on that third sentence there. Here's the topic sentence, the first sentence for your paragraph 2, and you can see that that sentence in blue correlates with the first element that the author says she will discuss. If you look at the second topic sentence, that correlates with the second element that the author said she would discuss. And the same applies to the third element, which is the refutation. So this is what we will be looking to see in your text. Have you attempted to enable coherence by linking your introduction with your topic sentences? Please remember that you must warrant your claims with data, whether that is qualitative or quantitative. And please also remember that all of your warranting, if you are borrowing or using someone else's ideas or research, it must be cited. Students, don't let citations float in between sentences. In-text citations are always inside of the full stop. Also, we want to see if you're effectively transitioning between paragraphs. So from your claims to the counter-arguments, from the counter-arguments to the refutations, are you enabling a smooth transition, or are you just jumping from one section to the next? Just a few reminders that your references page must be separate, okay? Must be a separate references page. And all of your sources must be in alphabetical order, and please use the Harvard format. Go to ClickUp and look under resources or under Scaffold 6 and 7, and you will find our referencing guide there. Just some final reminders, questions that have been coming in. Please, whatever you do, do not write over 2 pages. Your font should be 12 point, spacing 1.5. Again, quotation and paraphrasing are required, and your statistics, your quantitative data must be referenced. We wish you all the best. Remember to subscribe. Take a look at the description because I'm going to put a few links in there that are helpful for you, and let us know how we can help at any time. Take care and goodbye.